Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and welcome to another CNC project video. This is going to be part one in producing a fireplace mantle, which is more of a piece of furniture that has a fireplace heater inset into it, so it can be transferred from one location to another. Today we're going to be producing all of the nested components out of a 4x8 sheet of material on the Maverick 4x8 CNC system. So let's go see how it's done. Here's a quick glimpse of how the fireplace mantle is going to come together. The nice thing about this entire project is it can all be completed from a single sheet of 3/4 inch material, and we're actually going to be nesting all of these components out in this video on the Maverick 4x8 CNC system. In other videos, we'll show the assembly process and the finished results when this is being installed. Throughout this demonstration, we opened up the dust manifold so that you can see all the cutting action. To nest out all the components for this project, we used 3 cutters: a 1/4 inch down spiral cutter, a 90-degree V cutter, and a 3/8 down spiral cutter. All the tools used throughout this cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. The first 1/4 inch cutter simply added slots for the French cleats so that we can adjust the mounting height. The 90-degree V cutter then applies the 2 45-degree chamfers for the French cleats, but also adds the panel effect to the front panels of the fireplace mantle. Last, the 3/8 down spiral cutter finishes pocketing out the front panels, as well as cutting all the joinery on the 2 side panels of the mantle, and we'll finish things off by cutting out all the components out of this single sheet. After 30 minutes of cutting, all these parts are ready to be assembled to create the fireplace mantle. This sheet is being held down with our vacuum table modular system that can be added to the Maverick E series at any time. Keep an eye out for another video which will show the assembly process of this fireplace project. If you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC machine and what it can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions and would like to talk to a CNC expert, you can always call 801-491-0010, but you can also leave your comments and questions down below. Now, if you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations and CNC projects like this, just click right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.